Today, I would like to present about the introduction of financial management. So, financial management is important because it helps a company plan, control, and manage its fund efficiency. The main goal is to ensure enough funds are available while minimizing risk and unnecessary costs. Financial analysis evaluates a company performance using financial statements such as the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. It helps assess profitability, liquidity, solvency, and overall financial stability. Financial ratio and tools like net present value and internal rate of return support better decision making by comparing performance and selecting profitable investment. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is PUTRI MAISARAH binti ROMLI. My metric number is 824-83576. Today I would like to present about the business nature of the company called NESTLE Malaysia Berhad. So basically, Nestle Malaysia Berhad is one of the oldest and largest food and beverage company in Malaysia. The company started its operation in 1912 in Penang and has been operating for more than 100 years. Today, Nestle Malaysia is a fully integrated food and non-alcoholic beverage manufacturer. It is also recognized as the global halal manufacturing hub for the Nestle Group. The company operates 6 manufacturing plants across Malaysia and employs more than 5,000 workers, serving both local and international market. Nestle Malaysia produces many well-known brands such as Milo, Nescafe, Maggi, KitKat, and Cerelac. These products cover a wide range of categories including beverages, cooking products, dairy health and nutrition, and plants based on foods. The company serves both retail consumer and the food service sector through Nestle Professional. In a conclusion, Nestle Malaysia focus strongly on product quality, innovation, food safety, and sustainability in line with its mission of good food, good life. Next, Fraser and Neef Holding Berhad or FNN is a major food and beverage company in Malaysia and the region with operation mainly in Malaysia and Thailand. The company is involved in manufacturing, marketing and distributing a wide range of food and beverage products. FNN well known for its beverage brands such as 100 Plus, Season, Ice Mountain, Oyoshi, and FNN Fun Flavors. In addition to beverages, the company has a strong dairy business, producing condensed milk, UHT milk, yogurt drinks, and ice cream under brands like Magnolia, Farmhouse, and FNN Milk. FNN has also diversified into halal packaged foods, making it a well-rounded FMCG company with extensive manufacturing facilities and a strong distribution network. Supplying supermarkets, convenience store, restaurant, and export market, FNN reaches millions of consumers every day. In a conclusion, FNN focus on innovation, healthier products, option, strong branding, and sustainable growth, which has helped it remain one of the leading food and beverage company in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna present about ratio analyze. Liquid ratio. Current ratio. Nestle maintain a stable current ratio of around 1.1 from 2022 to 2024, indicating sufficient but limited liquidity. YFN recorded a much higher ratio, show a stronger short-term financial strength. Quick ratio. Nestle quick ratio remain below 1.0, indication reliance on inventory to meet short-term obligation, where FNN consistently shows strong liquidity without depends on inventory. Efficiency ratio. Inventory turnover. Nestle recorded the higher inventory turnover, showing more efficient inventory management compared to FNN, although FNN show a gradual improvement over the year. Account receivable turnover. Nestle demonstrate faster receivable collection with a higher turnover ratio, while FNN experienced slower collection and weaker receivable efficient. Average collection period. Nestle maintain a shorter collection period below 50 days, indication efficient credit control, whereas FNN face significantly longer collection period. Solvency ratio. Debt ratio. Nestle had a higher debt ratio, indicating greater reliance on debt financing, while FNN maintain a lower debt ratio and lower financial risk. Debt to equity ratio. Nestle high debt to equity ratio reflect aggressive leverage, where FNN lower ratio indicate a more conservative capital structure. Time interest earned, Nestle interest coverage declined over time, while FNN maintain a more stable ability to cover interest expenses.
Okay, next for FNN has shown consistent improvement in gross profitability, while Nestle has faced declining margin. For net profit margin, FNN has higher profitability than Nestle, but both companies have faced declining net margin over time. For summary, FNN has shown consistent improvement in gross profit margin and has outperformed Nestle in terms of operating profit margin and net profit margin despite some decline. On the other hand, Nestle faced declining profitability across gross operating and net margin over the years, while FNN remained more stable. Okay, next for discussion. For liquidity, formula results show FNN consistently stronger than Nestle. For efficiency, Nestle outperformed FNN in asset and receivable utilization. For solvency, lower debt ratio confirm FNN has lower final risk. Profitability margin formula indicated improving FNN performance, while Nestle declined. For conclusion, review proof Nestle accept operationally, while FNN is financially safer. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is IZZATI binti RAZALI. My matric number was A22A0147. So today I would like to presenting the recommendation part of financial analysis. So based on the ratio analysis, several recommendations can be made to improve the financial performance of Nestle Malaysia and Fraser and NIF. In terms of profitability, Nestle Malaysia show more stable performance, but it should continue improving cost efficiency to protect its profit margins. Meanwhile, FNN need to control operating expenses and focus on higher margin product to improve returns. For liquidity, both companies are able to meet their short-term obligations. However, Nestle Malaysia should manage inventory and receivable more efficiently, while FNN should maintain sufficient liquidity without over-relying on short-term borrowing. For the solvency aspect, Nestle Malaysia should maintain a balanced capital structure and avoid excessive debt, where FNN should carefully manage its leverage to reduce financial risk. Lastly, both companies should improve operational efficiency and continue investing in innovations and sustainability to ensure long-term growth and competitiveness. Thank you.
So conclusion, based on our analysis from 2022 to 2024, both Nestle Malaysia and FNN are financially strong companies in the food and beverage industry, but they have a different strengths. FNN perform better in liquidity and solvency, meaning it can meet short-term obligation more easily and has lower financial risk due to lower debt levels. Nestle, on the other hand, is more efficient operationally. It uses its assets better to generate sales and collects receivable faster than FNN, although its liquidity is tighter. In terms of profitability, FNN shows improvement, especially in gross profit margin, while Nestle faces declining margins due to higher costs and competition. Overall, Nestle is strong in efficiency, while FNN is stronger in financial stability. Both companies need to focus on cost control and efficiency to stay competitive in the long run.